Looking to level up your documents design without being a graphic artist? Here's how you can easily insert icon in MS Word. So first head over to the Insert tab and click on the icon. This will open Microsoft's massive library of high quality vector graphics. So browse through the categories or the search bar to find the perfect symbol. Make sure your internet must be connected with the computer. Here you can see that so many categories. You can even use this search bar to type, for example, location, then hit enter and select the desired icon and just need to click. So once the icon inserted on the Word document, a new called graphic format will be appear in the ribbon. So you can change the color from the graphic fill section. Here it is. You can change the themes outline. You can give some graphic effects. So you can resize, click and drag the corner handles. Since these are vector graphics, they won't get blurry. So no matter how big you make them. So click this layout option and click on the square to move it freely on the Word document. So you can even rotate it by this rotate handle. So I hope now you understand how you can easily insert icon in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.